try me. I am made of oats and fiber.
Okay, sounds healthy.
Yeah, also I am German and wouldn't mind watching you crap.
I don't know.
Come. It will be mine and yours little secret, just the two of us. Please take me home.
Okay, but just you. I don't feel safe now.
Stop talking. Concentrate on the pooping.
Mueslix, the weird European cereal that likes to watch you poop.